Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your niche to 1 to 3 focused topics so your keyword work is efficient. Once done, pull seed keywords from your channel tags, recent video ideas, and viewer comments to capture real language. Then use YouTube Search Autocomplete and the Related Searches panel to expand into common phrasing. As you collect phrases, log exact terms and intent, whether informational how-to or product-focused, so your next analysis step targets viewership and relevance. Now analyze each candidate keyword for intent and performance. You want to know why viewers search that phrase. Make sure to check monthly search volume, relative competition, and likely click-through rate so you prioritize terms that move the needle. Use keyword tools and Google Trends to find rising queries and long-tail variations with lower competition. As you rank ideas, group them by intent and prioritize 3-5 target keywords per video to guide title, thumbnail, and early. Finish by applying your chosen keyword into the title, the first 30 seconds of your script, the description and tags so YouTube understands context. Then /B test thumbnails and alternate title phrasings while monitoring impressions, CTR, and average view duration. If performance lags, make one change at a time. Adjust the thumbnail, tighten the intro to boost watch time or swap related tags, and reevaluate after 7-10 days. This iterative testing is how you find the right combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.